So we have drank, now it's time to eat. We are in the Sapphire Dining Room, and one of the perks of going through a travel agent, we used a travel agent to go through this, and she was able to make sure that we were at least seated close together because we're the group, it's like 14 of us. And so of course, you know, they don't have tables that seat 14 people, but we all are in the same area. And but yeah, so we didn't even have to come and fix that. So definitely one of the perks of going through a travel agent.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Hey, I just don't.
You know what helps? A little bit of more juice.
No, it's not working right now, but
I drink that much every day.
Hey man, the night young. Are we going to the club? We going to play blackjack after the club? What's up? You out of there?
Jimmy D.
I'm beat.
Let's go, Jimmy.
Night night.
Night night.
Night night.
So the hose?
Make the toast, man.
There we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's a great
My
toast.
boy Rico, man. Toast to these yellow ass shirts. In the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, I feel that. You guys are the greatest friends I've had in my life. Nothing beats you guys. Nothing. So,
Come on, man.
thank you guys.
Obviously.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Every one of you guys.
Chill.
If you get mad, he's gonna bring you guys are the greatest friends I ever had.
Yes. Cheers. I'm saying chill.
Bro, you spilling it.
Chill, not cheers. No, I'm good.
Bro, you making a mess, man.
Cheers, guys. We're good. Yeah, right.
Hey, Trevon, your hair is shining like a mug, boy. Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean. We got both the bald head dudes sitting at the end of the table. I promise we not that old. James started going bald when we was in high school.
Who's that guy in the yellow?
We got big ballers.
That looks like me. Hey, lawyer. Hey, Bobby.
Thank you, Doug Lord.
I've been saving up my drop for it, bro.
Thank you so much. Oh, you know, you fancy. Big wine drinker.
I gotta clean my nose hairs.
So you get.
I smell it.
We got a professional here.
Him and his wife are actually
How is it?
Connoisseur.
Chardonnay? I like it.
Thank you. May I pour the drink?
Yes, ma'am.
Look who decided to show up. Hey, y'all gotta set the little kids table over there, man. Right there. That's the kids table right there. Let me have the spinach and artichoke dip. Then can I get the New York strip steak? Medium. Medium, yes. And then the dark chocolate custard. Hey man, how y'all enjoying the kids table, man?
What's going on, man?
Y'all hamburgers and hot dogs all right over there, man?
This guy, it's muy delicioso, actually.
Hey, we gonna get y'all some French fries and some nuggets later on, man.
As long as it's spicy and I get barbecue sauce.
Oh, happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear
Rico.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey, you look good for 45. 45. 45. Yo, we are headed back to the room from dinner. And when I tell you these foods cut up, cut all the way, like dinner started at 8. It is 9:41.
Man, we got time.
Bro, we did not stop laughing from the time we sat down at that table. Hey, fellas, man, do the group cruise thing, man. go out, go on vacation. There's not enough of us that go on group vacations, but make sure you go. I'm telling you, this is a great time. All right, as y'all can see, we made it back to the room. Chill a little bit. Like I said, this is still about 9:45ish right now. We do have adult karaoke later on at 11. Y'all pray for us. I don't know if we're gonna make it, but we're gonna see what happens.
We're not gonna make it.
We're not gonna make it.
No, sir.
You ain't gonna make it. You out of there. Yeah, alright. So they brought us a card. It says Mr. and Mrs. Neal. This is some kind of auction. You going, Mrs. Neal? Alright. Alright, so after a quick little power nap, we back in the game. So
we back in the game. I'm ready to play.
So we
already know.
So we are headed to adult karaoke, and then somebody finna put on the show.
Somebody gonna put on the show. You gonna think?
But a heartache, ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why. I want it that way. I want it that way.
Let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. With good love and protection, make me your selection. Love you, love you, love you. I don't have rhythm.
Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you.
What's up, man?
Welcome.
All right, thank you. I'm gonna learn to dance one day, boy. I'm gonna learn to dance one day. I don't know it.
It's hard to manage 14 guys, I'll tell you that right now.
One day.
After the ball.
Yo, what's up, man? We made it back to the room. Bro, we had an eventful day.
Yeah, very busy day today.
So what y'all saw, what y'all missed from karaoke, it was an adult karaoke. Adult karaoke was cool. I feel like the sound could have been a little bit louder, but it was a vibe. Everybody was singing, everybody was dancing, everybody had a good time. Then after that, we did hit the nightclub. It was supposed to be 90s night, but they kind of like mixed in some of the more modern songs and stuff like that. But like the DJ that they have on this ship,
Whack. Fire the DJ.
yeah, she wasn't the best. It was like it started off real slow, and then she played a couple songs that got everybody up, and then she just killed it. Like it was, and it turned out it turned into more, instead of a club, to more like a social gathering. Like people busted out Uno cards on the table and stuff.
I didn't see no Uno cards. That's crazy.
Yeah, but overall, day one has been very great, man.
Yeah, it's been a good day.
Yeah, so we got 3 more days left on the cruise, and
Pray for us.
yeah, the way things are going right now, yeah, pray for us. So we're gonna wrap this one up. We're gonna close it out for the day. Make sure, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time that we drop a new video. But until next time, we'll see y'all tomorrow, man.
Peace.
Good night.